26 here, just for hobbies, and we've got the Enterprise here, 1701, and it's a miniature. Measures about 3 inches high by about 5 inches long, and you can get this on Amazon, I believe. I think that's where I got it, and it's really pretty cool little miniature, desktop miniature of this, famous Star Trek model. Has a base, and it goes together from year to year. It takes a little fidgeting to get the base on, but you'll get it. I'll show you the other side. That's the other side. Here's the top of it. It doesn't light up or anything like that, but they have a bunch of these in a series you can get. I'll try to find the link on Amazon for you and put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.